This is the new VersaLink B625, and I'm going to show you how to change a transfer roller in it. I'm Matthew, and this is the printing workshop. Alright, on the transfer roller, the first thing you're going to want to do is open that front door, swing it to the left. Then you'll remove your toner by pulling straight out. And then you're going to want to remove your imaging unit, or your drum, whatever you want to call it. It comes straight out. Alright, now your transfer roller is inside the cavity right here. It's the foam roll on the bottom. There's a little orange handle on the right side. Stick your finger in there and lift up on that handle. Make sure you're squeezing that orange handle with 2 fingers, because when you lift up and it pops out, it can go flying. So you want to kind of have control of it. And then lift it up and out. It may fight you a little, but that's okay. Just keep kind of wiggling. It'll come out. And then that's your transfer roller right there. Pretty simple. Now to go back in, just remember, your orange handle goes to the right and forward. And then on the left side, there's a little dowel. So you want to go in at an angle like that, leaning to the left. Find that trough that roll sits in, and then drop that assembly into place, and then reach in on the right side where that gear is, push straight down, and you'll hear a click, and then your transfer roller is in place. After you're done with that, replace your imaging unit into the machine and replace your toner cartridge. And then close your front door. Hey guys, if you want to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. As always, thank you so much to our viewers for watching our how-to videos here at the Printing Workshop. If these videos help you in any way, please like and subscribe.